Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
General Secretary of the Jamaica Football Federation, Dennis Chung, says the lifting of financial restriction by world governing body FIFA will allow the local entity to focus more on development programs. The JFF announced on Tuesday that they are free of the financial restrictions after 5 years.
It means that we get it in greater lump sums than what we get now. So we get it sort of spread out over the year. So we'll be able to access it sooner, because what it shows is that we have the ability now to manage it. That and that is why it would have been put on the installment funds rather than a greater lump sum being sent to us. But I understand also means that we have the ability to access certain project funds that we would not have been able to access before.
FIFA head of Member Associations Finances Services, Christophe Sopiger, says they are pleased with the improvement made by the JFF over the last 5 years.
It showed massive improvements when it comes to financial governance matters, as, for instance, the Member Association successfully accessed online banking system. They have upgraded the accounting software system, and additionally also made other efforts with regard to procurement procedure, for instance. Also, the level of supporting documentation has massively been improved, and the FIFA funded activities were fully supported with supporting documentation.
12th placed Humble Lion will host fellow strugglers Chapelton Maroons in 13th in the Clarendon Derby at the Effortville Community Centre as action continues in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League later today. The kickoff will be at 3:30 p.m. In the day's other game, 3rd place Montego Bay United will be at home against Malines United in 11th at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. The match is set for 5 p.m. And finally, Zimbabwe's sports minister Kirsty Coventry has created history by becoming the 10th International Olympics Committee president at the IOC's 144th session in Greece a short while ago. Coventry, who represented the country at 5 Olympic Games, is now the first woman, the first African, and the youngest person to attain the post at 41 years old. World Athletics boss Lord Sebastian Coe was among the favorites to win the election, but Coventry secured an absolute majority of 49 of the 97 votes available in the first round of voting. Runner-up Juan Antonio Samaranch Jr. won 28 votes, while Coe secured 8. She'll be in the post for at least the next 8 years. Coventry will succeed the 9th IOC president, Thomas Bach, whose 12-year tenure will officially end after Monday, June 23, 2025. I am Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
And that concludes the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.